Hello and welcome to Present Times on Linux, and today we are going to look at Deepin, especially the install, as a friend of mine on YouTube did have a problem installing. So I did say I would go round. There is another job I got to do as well, but let me just bring this up just for a minute and see if I could find. No, I don't want that. There we go, Bluetooth lesson thingy, blah blah. Drop boot. That isn't it. I'm going to have to scroll some more. Aha, there's the comment there. And it was Rezercon. I was usual, playing with V-Box. Kept hoping you'd show us Deepin since you wouldn't run for me. So I'm going to go through Deepin. And so far I've gave it 4 GB of RAM, 2 processors, Cavium parallelization, of course 128 megs of video memory. It is set up as a Ubuntu because it is Ubuntu based, I believe. I could be wrong, but that's fine. I have the ISO installed. So anyway, I will go through the settings just briefly, just in case there's anything you need to know. Okay, I called it Deepin, yeah. Type Linux, and the rest isn't needed. On the system, see I got 4 GB of RAM. In fact, I can knock off the floppy on that because it's not needed. Processor, 2 processors. Acceleration, display 128 meg. Storage, I simply put the Deepin ISO in, and the rest I've left. Okay, let's start this off. Okay, install Deepin, so this is what we'll do. Alrighty. Oops, I'm trying to press it. I just moved it for my own pleasure actually. Okay, we'll have English because that's what I am. I've read the Deepin terms of endearment. I've been in the version wishing it's a smooth experience, yada yada. Continue. It's asking for a username. And it's asking for a password, which I will put one in. Very cool. And it's strange that the create user account there is actually cut off halfway. Okay, I think that's just a V-Box thing now. I think someone Guernsey close, but let's. No, it's not Isle of Man either. Go on, yay, London, well done. Let's see if this has got any kind of thing is installed. No, okay. We'll click next. And what I want to do is put it on that free space there now. What I'm doing is using simple. I've just clicked the free space and I want to start the installation. That is it. The following will be executed, format div SDA, create an MS-DOS partition table, new partition SDA1 as main point, type file as /main point, the root of course, and I will continue with that. And now we just wait while it copies over. So I'll pause, and there's nothing else doing here right at this second, so I'll just pause after a cup of tea. Coffee as it says, and I'll see you in a minute. Oh, I'm back, and it's 57% through, but I was just reading these slides. I've made myself a coffee, so I'm all good. Yeah, and the slides are quite funny. Somebody wording in English is quite cool. Especially there was one here, Deepin. Every utility has powerful features in it, all providing thoughtful exclusive services for you. Not bad. The Deepin community, of course, is all over the world. Different perspectives and new feeling. Reflect the personality and freely change to build your desktop. The control center is rather nice. So, yeah, it's all good. Enjoy the happiness brought by technology, which brought wonderful visual effects and interactive experience. And I think it's one after the WPS that cracks me a bit. Enjoy the pleasure in communication. Enjoy original high-quality music online. Since then, a new parallel universe is discovered. Screen recording with ease, switching window formats, etc. Improved security. Well, it is Linux, so I would hope so. Let the slideshow interval a new wallpaper continuously. Multi-arch compatible. Innovative technology. Keeps items neat and organized. Very cool. No, it's quite cool, man. Slideshow isn't bad. Everything and anything. High quality applications compatible with Windows and Android. Deepin movie. Shock and ceaseless audio visual enjoyment. Savor the great moments. Photo frees precious people and things in the memory. That I love. That's great. So anyway, we're on 62%. And I won't bore you anymore. I will come back later on. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm back. It's at 89%. It should be nearly done. It's been going 15 minutes. Not the fastest. Oh, 97%. Nice job. 99, 100. Excellent. Okay, please remove the installation before removing. Okay. Devices. Now cancel that, and what I'll do is just tell it to do that and turn the machine off just for a second. Okay, somewhere around here is my VirtualBox. There it is. Settings and storage, and I don't know why I didn't do it the other way, but still, it's all good. Okay, I forgot I could do it from the front screen there. Okay, we have Deepin 15.11, which I think is the latest one. I hope so. So anyway, we have Deepin booting. Excuse me a moment. Sorry about that. Okay. There we go. I can now sign it. And we'll just wait for the desktop to load. I'll just on the effects mode and I should have hit normal, I guess. Maybe a speed difference, but meh. It's all good. Okay. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, we've got desktop loaded. Very cool. I'm just waiting for the hard disk to stop thrashing. And it's loading a startup video. Yep. No indicator of what's happening. Okay, let's get next. Okay, sit up. We'll have it on fashion. In here, I'm just going with the defaults for now. We'll go to devices and we'll insert some guesties. And hopefully that'll appear somewhere. Now I'm waiting. Although the hard drive is still going, so I'll just be patient. Okay, let's click on the file manager there. Alright, there's the virtual box just there. Has been already mounted. Okay. Right, okay, that's cool. Let's insert some guest editions. And hopefully, just open that in the terminal. Make that a bit bigger, shall we, people? Okay, so I want to go to CD. Now, is it media or is it raw media? Present. Yep. And it's VBox Linux run. No, it isn't. I've got to do the sudo bit. Sudo. Yep. Let's see if we can build against the installer manuals, if there is any. If not, I'll probably have to download something else for it, but that's fine. And it looks like it's running 4.15, the kernel version here. Now the kernel version on the host is either 4.215 or 157, not sure. I could find out while Deepin's doing that, of course. 2.15 it said up there. Fairly cool. Anyway, wait for this. Hopefully when it's finished the screen will resize. If not, I'll have to reboot. It's updates in the init RAM address. Yes, it's definitely. Package cache wiped. Level selected might not work as expected. Excuse me. Okay, so it failed. Okay, let's see if we could do a sudo reboot. Yep. And hopefully when it comes back up, the kernel modules are loaded and we have full screen. Oh, excuse me, I got a bit of a tickle. So, let's see what happens. And unfortunately I couldn't install this to my SSD as I ran out of room. Oh, there we go. There we go. Full screenage. And there we go. That is Deepin Linux. Okay, if you click on the old menu there, you'll see that it comes up with a massive menu. But if you want a more conventional one, you can click over here. Boom. And it gives us a nice little menu here instead. There's lots of little things in here. Now under internet, for instance, we've got Google Chrome. It's using Chrome and Thunderbird for your internet usage. Let's go back for the music. It's got its own music player and a voice recorder. The music player is actually looks quite nice. It's a bit gnomish, but you know, it does its thing. Deepin music. You can also apply a dark theme. Patoom. Well, that's better. And of course, you can scan for the music, add folders, etc. So that's Deepin music. And let's just exit, please. Thank you. No minimizing. And we go back to all categories here. Video, it has its own movie player and a screen recorder. The movie player looks a bit similar to the so there we go. I haven't got anything to play on it anyway. I don't know why I right click on the desktop, but I will do soon. Right, all categories again. Graphics. We've got an image viewer, which is theirs, and a screenshot taker. The image viewer, of course, is for images. If I just pick one, you can see how this works. Flying whale. Very cool. By Hugh Lee. So that's the image viewer. Under Office, we have the WPS suite. We've got Editor, Cloud Print, Simple Scan, and a PDF viewer. WPS writer, of course. May take time to load, excuse me. Yeah, I'll accept it just for the giggles. There you go, it's visited. Do you want to update it? So there is an update for it. Next time or something, yeah, I could do. So that's WPS. And also we have reading. We have the document viewer there for reading. Very cool. System tools. We've got File Manager. Deepin File Manager is quite nice. Appears in the LAN, etc. System disk and all that kind of business. It is not a bad file manager at all, actually. It's really quite nice to look at. That's one thing I will say about this system, it is nice. As user feedback, didn't really want that. Go back to seeding, we got the App Store, the Control Center. The Control Center I will show. As you can see, it's got accounts display, all your kind of business that you'll need, including the updates. It's checking for updates, please wait. So that might take a while. I'll just click that out of the way. But that's rather nice little. We've got Show Desktop and Manual, the App Store, which I won't bring up because it's already busy. System Monitor. Okay, let's see what the old System Monitor tells us. It's telling us it's using 3220 and roughly 837 megabytes out of 3.9 gigabytes. So that isn't bad. Deepin System Monitor there. One application is running. Networks doing nothing, uploads doing nothing. Okay. And these are all the other stuff. And you can see what's using it. KWinX11, of course, it's using bits. System Monitor is using 6.8% and 22 meg. Woohoo! Now, it's not light, that's for sure. It's not light. Anyway, that is a quick look at Deepin. I'm not actually going to review it. This is just because somebody couldn't install it, so I thought, okay, I'll show you how you install it. And so let's see if it sends us down. Let's see if it supplies a bumper. So it does. Cool. Oh, shut it down from there. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope to see you all soon. Goodbye and take care for a bit. And if you're just wondering why I said it was heavy, I know, just think I've still got another 95 meg. Mind you, then again, it hasn't released all of its stuff yet. But that's all good. Anyway, see you all later. Cheerio. And take care. If you liked the video, by the way, put a thumbs up. If you didn't, meh. Thumb it down, I don't mind. And enjoy the channel, subscribe and ring the bells and whatever. I'll be making more.